Welcome to a point of view test drive in the new Bentley Bentayga. Give you a quick look round it. Let's open the boot. In fact, I should be able to do it by waving my foot underneath. There we go. It's a rather large boot. Not as big as a Range Rover's though, but it's decent enough. Back seats, plenty of space in the back seats. This one's got the panoramic sunroof, rear infotainment system, and posh picnic tables. All optional extras, as are these comfy headrests. Loads of options on this car. About £60,000 worth. This is the diesel. Starts from 135 grand. This one with options, you're looking at almost £200,000. So better be careful when I drive it. It's quite interesting stepping up to get into a Bentley rather than stepping down is what you normally do, because they can be quite low slung if you're in something like a Conti GT. But on the inside, definitely a Bentley, without doubt. I like the little starter button there. I've got all the different modes there for the driving settings. At the moment I've got in B, which is the Bentley mode, which apparently is the best one for the car. So it's got all the weight of the steering, the throttle response, the responsiveness of the automatic gearbox, and the stiffness of the air suspension, which is standard, set up to what Bentley's engineers think is the best. There's a comfort mode for ultra relaxation, and there's a sports mode, but I'll go back into Bentley mode. And there is a Ferrari Daytona. Look at that. Makes this Bentley look cheap. It's probably about £1 million worth, that car. Better be careful getting around that. So this is the diesel. V8, loads of power. Look at that, 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. Absolutely flies. That's all you really need. I would still go for the W12 petrol though, because it's got more power. It's over 600 horsepower. It's the most powerful SUV, and it just suits this car, even though this diesel is really super quiet and lovely. Yeah, and the car is lovely. The best thing about it is just how luxurious it feels to drive. The suspension is brilliant over bumps, so relaxing. Yeah, you got all the mod cons, such as, look, I've got active lane keeping assist, so it'll steer to keep in lane, active cruise control, essentially the gadgetry that you get on the Audi A8. In fact, these stalks are very much like those you get on an Audi, same design. Infotainment system isn't there, and that's a bit of a shame, because this Bentley infotainment system, not a fan of it really. It's not that great. The graphics are a little bit lame, bit boring. Can you see? It's handy that you got physical shortcut buttons to go to the different settings, and this has the name audio system, which is just, if I can turn it on. Come on, radio sticks music. See if I boot at the sound. For some reason it's not doing it. Brilliant. Anyway. Turn that down. Now I'm going to put the car into sports mode to go through these twisty bits. And for a big old car that's over 2.5 tons, it goes around corners without rolling much at all. The four-wheel drive system gives loads of grip. So for an SUV, it feels sporty. It's what you expect from a Bentley. They're always big cars which handle surprisingly well, and it's the same with this. Definitely way better to drive on road than a Range Rover, without a shadow of a doubt. Feels more luxurious, feels more sporty, feels more comfortable. It's a really nice thing. Now, you can take it off-road. We've got the switch there for different off-road modes. It'll raise at the air suspension and do those kind of things, but I think a Range Rover has slightly superior ability off-road, although I've not back-to-back them, but owners really aren't going to. They're going to be driving these cars on road, and the Bentley is just glorious. I love the details in it as well, like these organ stops. Look at that. Not so keen on the wood veneer, even though it does look very posh. You can have a different finish to that if you want to, but there's so much leather. This one's got like the leather headlining, the full Mulliner driving pack, which includes this uprated steering wheel, which is just glorious. And yeah, what a lovely, lovely car. Let you show the visibility around the back, around the sides. Good look around the car. So there we go. Now, if you want to compare offers on a Bentley Bentayga, just click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to go to carwow.co.uk. You can also check out the price of any car while you're there as well. Also, click on the video windows, which should be popping up now, to watch more content on this Bentley Bentayga and the full in-depth video review. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this test drive.